So, good day, Ma'am Bihag and our mga mates sa fourth year with regards to this subject. So, our topic for today is all about Republic Act number 9211. It is discussed by Elvin Rama, which is me, and Yorye Longkob, RJ Redondo, and Jimboy Gumera. So, the objectives of this discussion is to discuss Republic Act 9211 from Section 1 to 14. As well as we can get some valuable ideas with regards to the regulation and rules about tobacco. Specific terms and definition of terms that specify only to this act. So, RA 9211 is an act regulating the packaging, use, sale, distribution, and advertisement of tobacco products and for other purposes. So, kaning Republic Act 9211 is nag-focus siya sa tobacco, sa iyang pagligya, packaging, sa iyang pag-use, and other purposes. So, Section 1 of this act is its short title. This act shall be known as the Tobacco Regulation Act of 2003. Section 2, it is the policy. It is the policy of the state to protect the populace from hazardous products and promote the right to health and instill health consciousness among them. It is also the policy of the state consistent with the constitutional ideal to promote the general welfare, to safeguard the interests of the workers and other stakeholders in the tobacco industry. For these purposes, the government shall institute a balanced policy whereby the use, sale, and advertisement of tobacco products shall be regulated in order to promote a healthful environment and protect the citizens from the hazards of tobacco smoke, and at the same time ensure that the interests of tobacco farmers, growers, workers, and stakeholders are not adversely compromised. So, in this statement, we can conclude that this is all about what is the tobacco regulations and rules sa ato to ensure um, welfare of everyone sa ilang health, sa health sa everyone, and including the industry. Section 3, purpose. It is the main thrust of this act. A. Promote a healthful environment. So, this act is to promote the healthful environment with regards sa tobacco. Kay kabalo naman tang ang tobacco is makadaot. So, kailangan jud act nga mapugnan or naabay mga say tawag na pagbabawal or mga signage inana. B. Inform the public of the health risks associated with cigarette smoking and tobacco use. C. Regulate and subsequently ban all tobacco advertisement and sponsorships. D. Regulate the labeling of tobacco products. Protect the youth from being initiated to cigarette smoking and tobacco use by prohibiting the sale of tobacco products to minors. F. Assist and encourage Filipino tobacco farmers to cultivate alternative agricultural crops to prevent economic dislocation. And G. Create an interagency committee on tobacco or the IEC tobacco to oversee the implementation of the provisions of this act. Section 4. Definition of terms as used in this act. So, muna akong gingon kaniya sa objectives. There are specific term diri lang nakakuan sa diri nga law or act. First is advertisement. Refers to any visual and or audible message disseminated to the public about or on a particular product that promote and give publicity by words, designs, images, or any other means through broadcast, electronic, print, or whatever form of mass media, including outdoor advertisements such as, but not limited to, signs and billboards. For the purpose of this act, advertisement shall be understood as tobacco advertisement. So, ang meaning diri sa advertisement is murag parehas ra sa casual meaning sa advertisement sa English, which is kanang magpa-publicity like sa TV, kanang ilang i publicize sa ang product regarding sa tobacco. B is advertising. Refers to the business of conceptualizing, presenting, making available, and communicating to the public through any form of mass media, any act, data, or information about the attributes, features, quality, or availability of consumer products, services, or credit. So, makalibog yun ang advertisement and advertising. So, ang advertising is, ang kalahian niya, sa advertisement is only for to give publicity. But sa advertising is when it is publicized how the tobacco being created. Ayun na. For the purpose of this act, advertising shall be understood as tobacco advertising. This shall specifically refer to any messages and images promoting smoking, the purchase or use of cigarette or tobacco products, and cigarette or tobacco trademarks, brand names, design, and manufacturers' names. So ang advertising there is kanang nag-publicize nga nga mga negosyo. For example, na sila brand name. Inana. But ang advertisement is all about publicity sa example TV, sa radyo, inana. But ang advertising is all about business. Like ilang brand name. Come on, sa may idea nyo na.
Ads bitaw. Tapos mag-click na mo ang ads, then mag-communicate na rin mo information. So, more way pagsabot na kana po.
Kaning advertising. Kaya naglibog po gamay. So, sakto na siguro to. Ang advertising refers to mga business like their brand name. They publicize by their brand name siguro. Ang advertisement is wala sila nag regards kung unsa nga brand, but it is a term nga to give publicity sa about tobacco. C is advertiser. Refers to a person or entity whose account or for whom an advertisement is prepared and disseminated by the advertising agency. So ani nga nga sentence. An advertisement is prepared and disseminated by the advertising agency. So ang advertising is the company, and the advertisement is the result. Muna siya kung unsay nakita sa So ang advertiser is the person nga nagbuhat og advertisement or lagi na kung kinsa or entity. Then D-cigarette refers to any rule or tubular constructions which contains the tobacco or its derivatives and is intended to be burned or heated under ordinary condition of use. So, kana atong makita gina yup-yup sa mga tao, sa mga tambay inana nakita nato sa kalsada, sa public place kanang lingin nga stick inana. Sa refers to any construction. So, kuha naman siya, sabotable, masan cigarette. Distributor refers to any person to whom a tobacco product is delivered or sold for purpose of distribution in commerce, except that such terms does not include manufacturer or retailer or common carrier of such product. So, this refers to a person or ang tao nga for the purpose iyang trabaho is mag-distribute sa tabako. So ginatawag siya og distributor. F is mass media. Refers to any medium of communication designed to reach a mass of people. For this purpose, mass media includes print media such as but not limited to newspapers, magazines and publications, broadcast media such as but not limited to radio, television, cable television, and cinema. Electronic media such as but not limited to the internet. So, ang mass media is including television, sa internet, Facebook, Twitter, inana, as well as newspapers nang nakasulat sa dyaryo, inana. So, ma-consider siya as mass media. Ma-consider ang usa ka butang or saman system or electronics kung maka-create siya mass media nga information. For example, Facebook. Kung mag-post ka na, daghan man kay makakita na. So, ma-consider siya og mass media. G minor refers to any person below 18 years old. So, basta 18 below nga edad, ma-consider na siya as minor. Manufacturer refers to any person or entity including a repacker who makes, fabricates, assembles, processes, or labels a finished product. So, ang manufacturer is katong mga tao nga naghimo sa tabako or sigarilyo. Nag-packing, nagbuhat sa ilang name, tag, or labels. Package refers to packs, boxes, cartons, or containers of any kind in which any tobacco product is offered for sale to consumers. So, kanang package is kanang ilang sudlanan or kanang ilang nakapack na. So, tawag na iyang karton.
Karton.
Karton ba? So, person refers to an individual, partnership, corporation, or any other business or legal entity. So, kung katong mga tao nga which is tagiya sa business sa tabako or mga partnership, considered na siya as person. Point of sale refers to any location at which an individual can purchase or otherwise obtain tobacco products. So, ang point of sale is, na siya, any location or lugar nga ang tao makapalit or makabaligya. Ano siya, point of sale. Promotion refers to an event or activity organized by or on behalf of a tobacco manufacturer, distributor, or retailer with the aim of promoting a brand of tobacco product, which event or activity would not occur but for the support given to it by or on behalf of the tobacco manufacturer, distributor, or retailer. Ang promotion is sa process nga giunsa nila pag-promote ang usa ka brand nga tabako. It may also refers to the display of a tobacco product or manufacturer's name, trademark, logo, etc. or non-tobacco products. This includes the paid use of tobacco products bearing the brand names, trademarks, logos, and etc. in movies, televisions, and other forms of entertainment for the purpose of this act. Promotions shall be understood as tobacco promotion. So, ang promotion and advertisement is murag kuan sila. Naa sila express og meaning. But ang term lang depende kung unsa nga pag definition sa kuan. If nakabutang nga kuan for the purpose of promoting a brand. So ang kuan na ang term nga right ana is promotion, but kung ang definition kay naka-specific nga word nga kuan for advertising, so ang kuan na term is advertisement. Public conveyances refer to modes of transportation servicing the general population such as but not limited to elevators, airplanes, buses, taxicabs, ships, jeepneys, light rail transits, tricycles, and similar vehicles. Ang public conveyances is kato na siyang mga sakyanan nga siguro for the use of distributing cigarettes or tobacco. Public places refer to enclosed or confined areas of all hospitals, medical clinics, schools, public transportations, terminals, and offices, and buildings such as private and public offices. Recreational places, shopping malls, movie houses, hotels, restaurants, and the like. Ang public places is kanang mga lugar nga kuan, for example owned sa government, sa tuwa dire sa plaza o inana public place na siya sa pamailayang laganan. Basta dili siya walay kuan ba, walay nakabawal nga anhaan nga lugar, mao na siya ma-consider na siya as public place. Retailer refers to any person or entity that sells tobacco products to individuals for personal consumptions. Kaning retailer is kanang mga gagmay na maligya og kuan, sigarilyo. Kung moingon ta kuan, distributor is kato na tong kuan, dinagko ba nga kuan nga pagligya sa sigarilyo kanang by daghan na kay nga package na by package na. Patang retailer is kanang nara sa mga siguro sari-sari store inana tag palit rag ginagmay ra bisan sa kuan sa 7-Eleven, makuan siya ma-considered as retailer kay ginagmay ra man kay isa ra ka kaha inana. Smoking refers to the act of carrying a lighted cigarette or other tobacco products whether or not it is being inhaled or smoked. So smoking kanang kuan magunit na ang tao nga ang sigarilyo is nadagkutan na. Bisan pag dili na makita nga kuan giyop-yop sa kuan gagunit sa sigarilyo, ma-consider gyapon siya smoking kay nag-produce na mag-smoke ang sigarilyo. So for example, ang tao namang gyud nga batas nga kanang lugar kay bawal magkuan sigarilyo. So for example, ang tao nagdagkot og sigarilyo, then nakitaan siya, then iyang defense kay wala pa man niya na na smoke o wala pa niya na yup-yup ang sigarilyo. Pero matawag na siya kuan smoking kay for example dire indicated dire nga ang smoking is as a definition dire nga ang smoking is whether or not it is being inhaled or smoked. Makonsider siya smoking. Q. Sponsorship refers to any public or private contribution to a third party in relation to an event, team, or activity made with the aim of promoting a brand of tobacco product, which event, team, or activity would still exist or occur without such contribution. For the purpose of this act, sponsorship shall be understood as tobacco sponsorship. Kato ni siyang mga kuan. Parehas rag meaning sa kuan na ay sponsor sa mga kuan, mga butang kung kuan without kuan any kuan compensation or kuan proportionate saman without kuan receiving money bitaw inana. Mao na siya ang kuan sponsorship. Tobacco refers to agricultural components derived from the tobacco plant which are processed for use in the manufacturing of cigarettes and other tobacco products. So ang tobacco, mao na siya ang kuan. Tobacco is coming from tobacco plant. Tobacco product refers to any product that consists of loose tobacco that contains nicotine and is intended for use in a cigarette, including any product containing tobacco intended for smoking or oral or nasal use. Unless stated otherwise, the requirements of this act pertaining to cigarettes shall also apply to other tobacco products. So, tobacco products refers to a product that coming from tobacco or tobacco plant. So, ang tobacco plant is ma-process na siya as another product. So, ma-consider siya as tobacco product. Tobacco grower refers to any person who plants tobacco before the enactment of this act and classified as such by the National Tobacco Administration. So, ang tobacco grower is katungguan, mananumay og tobacco. They are, in this act, they are specified as tobacco grower. Warning refers to the notice printed on the tobacco product or its container and or displayed in front or aired in broadcast or electronic media including outdoor advertising and which shall bear information on the hazards of tobacco use. So ang warning is kanang mga na notice na ay mga babala sa for example sa makita na to sa sudanan sa sigarilyo. Mo na itawag og warning. Kinsa na may? Mga ni Sarge. Sarge.
Ako ano no?
Oy, mana. Berada.
Crystal and good evening my fellow classmates. So this is my topic, the healthful environment and section 5 smoking ban in public places. Smoking shall be absolutely prohibited in the following public places. So nasa ka na specific nga iban sa public. Centers of youth activities such as play schools. One is sa mga play school, preparatory schools, elementary schools, high schools, college, and universities. So ginaban gini siya sa mga eskwelahan, youth hostels, and recreational facilities for persons under 18 years old. So labi na sa mga
Sarge,
under 18 years old.
Ato sa i-accept si kuan. Redondo murag nagkon. Murag ning kuan si Redondo. Mo-join.
I-active sa dancers.
Sige. Na-search kay loading.
Madungog mga atong audio sa recorder ani search.
Madungog search mo na yan kuan. Nasa settings.
Lock ka. Kanang
Nawala naman ang kuan. Pizza.
wala ra ba ko nagkuha og kuan sa PPT na to na. Dito ra ko sa nag-research ako.
Ay,
Oo, sa-
mabasa raman.
9211. Pwede ra na? Pwede ra? Pwede ra na, pre. So, we continue. Dili na ta sabi, no? Elevators and stairwells. So, ginaban po na siya dira. Elevator, siyempre, dagan po ng mga tao dira. Yung stairwells ng mga hagdan. C. Location in which fire hazards are present. Na fire hazard, bawal juga dira. Ungitan. Sa mga including the gas station and storage areas for flammable liquids, gas, explosive, or combustible materials. Siyempre, dali rabi kayo na mo dakop kay cigarettes, nag-smoke ka dira. Na siya ibaga. So, may possibility nga mo connect siya sa mga flammables. D. Within the buildings and premises of public and private hospitals, medical, dental, and optical clinics, health centers, nursing homes, dispensaries, and laboratories. Bawal yamon siya sa hospital, so sa sulod. Letter E. Public convenience and public facilities including airport and ship terminals. So, dili gid siya pwede manigarilyo, no, dira sa airport, sa mga terminals, train, bus station, restaurants, and conference halls, except for separate smoking areas. So, naaday gihapon siya nang nakabutang nga smoking area pinita sa terminal. So, ay area dira nga smoking area. So, dira lagi ka manigarilyo. Yun food preparation areas. Bawal gyapon ka dira. Kaya na may second hand smoke. Next. Section 6. Designated smoking and non-smoking areas. So, dire na. In all enclosed places that are open to the general public, private workplace, and other places not covered under the preceding section, where smoking may expose a person other than the smoker to tobacco smoke. The owner, proprietor, operator, possessor, manager, or administrator of such a place shall be established smoking and non-smoking areas. Such as areas may include a designated smoking area within a building, which may be in the open space or separate area with proper ventilation. So, na-facilitate or sa building nga i-separate nila ang smoke area, pero napoy ubang mga taong good pod nga dili dito manigarilyo, which may be in the open space or separate area proper ventilation but shall not be located within the same room that has been designated as a non-smoking area. So, di ka pa siya tapad All designated smoking areas shall have at least one legible and visible sign posted, namely smoking area. Kailangan makikita sa mga tao nga na nakabutang na nga smoking area. Have at least one. Isa ra jud. For the information and guidance of all concerned, in addition, the sign or notice posted shall include warning about the health effects or direct or second-hand exposure to tobacco smoke. Non-smoking areas shall likewise have at least one legible and visible, namely non-smoking area or no smoking. Kinahanglan dyan po na siya nga maklaro gini mo, diba, sa uba mga mga building like dira sa kining mga gasoline station na nakabutang dira nga dako kay nga non-smoking area or no smoking. Next. Access restriction. In Section 7, vending machines, self-service facilities. So, naaday siya ikuan ko ng vending machine ba? Unless the vending machine has a mechanism for age verification. Murag wala pa man. Ay, naaday nito, nakakuan ko ni dira sa Maranding na ikuan dira vending machine sa kanang cigarettes. The sale or distribution of tobacco products to minors by means to a vending machine or any self-service facility or similar contraption or device is prohibited except point of sales established. Nakatong dito sa vending machine sa Maranding. So, ako nakitaan kay wala ba siya good, nakabutang age verification. Ug mahulog lang ka litog G's, then select lang kag mga brand sa cigarettes, gawas na dayon. And Section 8, retailer compliance with respect to self-service facilities. Each retailer shall ensure that all tobacco-related self-service displays or facilitate advertising, labeling, and other items that are located in the establishment of the retailer and do not comply with the requirement of the Act are removed or are brought into compliance with requirements of this Act. So kung kulangan gali iyang pag-display sa product, kulangan siya mga kanang labeling, mga items din, walay nakabutang nga lugar ba? Kung asa dapitag ni gihimo, so kuan siya, pwede siyang makuan, tawag na makasuhan kung di siya mo comply sa requirements. Next. Ako gyapon na dili na. Ako na. Ay man na bitaw. So that's all for my report. Thank you. Nag-ibis na ako ang sunod nga reporter, RJ Redondo, Section 9, minimum age as under this act, it shall be unlawful. A, for any retailer or tobacco products to sell or distribute tobacco products to any minor. Okay, sa itong mga retailer or retailer sa tobacco or nagligya or distribute sa mga minor. For any person to purchase cigarette or tobacco products from a minor. Kinsa po itong mga person nga mupalit sa usa ka minor de edad. Next, for a minor to sell or buy cigarettes or any tobacco product. Kinsa itong mga minor nga magbaligya or magpalit sa ka product kay sigarilyo. For a minor to smoke cigarette or any other tobacco products. Kisa itong mga manigarilyo nga mga minor de edad, bawal gid sila ni nga section. It shall not be a defense for a person selling or distributing that he or she did not know or was not aware of the real age of a minor. And neither shall it be a defense that he or she did not know nor had any reason to believe that cigarette or any other tobacco product was for the consumption of minor to whom it was sold. Next.
Sa may public nga green. Black.
Kalekog next. Section 10, sale of tobacco products within school perimeters. The sale or distribution of tobacco product is prohibited within 100 meters from any point of the perimeter of a school, public playground, or other facility frequented particularly by minors. So bawal gid na maligyan sigarilyo sa dapit sa eskwelahan or within 100 meters nga kan distansya. Next, section 11, signage. Point of sales establishments offering, distributing or selling tobacco products to consumers shall post the following statement in a clear and conspicuous manner. So mao ni ang mabutan sa signage. Sale or distribution to or purchase by the minors tobacco product is unlawful, or it is unlawful for tobacco products to be sold or distributed to or purchased by person under 18 years of age. So kaya sa katong nga maligya og mga tobacco or like sa mga tindahan or sa mga convenience store, dapat yun ay mga signage pa or para makapalo nga ang kanang kanang tabako is bawal sa usa ka minor de edad like below 18 years old. Next, section 12, proof of age verification. In case of doubt as to the age of the buyer, retailer shall verify by means of any valid form of photographic identification containing the date of birth of the bearer that no individual purchasing a tobacco product is below 18 years of age. So, kining section 12, proof of age verification, dapat yun ang makapalit sa tuwa dire. Hindi naman kay stricto ang mga maligay sigarilyo kay wala ba. Pero ang nagi sa balaod yun is ang pagmaligay og sigarilyo or pag-distribute sa sigarilyo is kinahanglan gyud siya og kanang proof sa edad or verification sa usa ka mopalit. Basin ba nakabalik ka kanang minor de edad ba or dili. So, maro to ako. Thank you. Repeat
Ini signal sige.
Pre, PPT pre. Section 13 pre. Section 13.
Lahi yang kuan.
Ako pala or
Yung pagkuhan.
ako na 13 pre. Hindi mo kita. Kana section 13 ba kang gumira mong guro na. Ako na pre. 13. Sige. Sige.
Wala ya delay. Ariel sa.
Good day everyone.
Genial sir.
I'm the last reporter. So my topic is section 13. Warnings of cigarette package under this act. Nawala pre. All package in which tobacco products are provided to consumer withdraw from manufactured facility of all manufactured or imported into the Philippines intended for sale to the market starting January 1, 2004 shall be printed in either English or Filipino on a rotating basis or separately and simultaneously. The following health warning. So, ang section 13 is nagkuhan siya warning siya, nagatag siya o kanang warning sa mga tao nga mo gamit og sigarilyo. Wala pre. Wala yung PPT pre. Naaraman boy. Ini ba? Ada kena nana. Government warning cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. So ang government nagkuan og balaod nga makadaot sa imuhang lawas. Government cigarette are addicted. So ang sige ka gamit og kuan cigarette so makadaot na si mga or maka-addict si mga. So next is Wala po sa kwa, pre.
Ina yung signal yun.
Kasi ang naoran ko yan.
Hindi makita sa kwa. Wala. Nakaraman sa mukha. Sa signal.
Hindi na po ang buhay.
Wala.
Tiinti kay pare-parehara tingin. Nagkukuan sa buhay. Buhay. Ba?
Ano sila kaliwat mo.
Ang iba kung mga Koreano, Chinese. Nantay na ako sa tintik. Tarong mga sandal. Sa buhay ko na sa buhay ko. Tarong mga sinigas. O babay.
Tayo pa nala.
Enjoy na.
Para magana. As.
Kaya, pre, bala.
Iya, kaya gusto niya.
Government warning tobacco smoke can harm your children or
Sirad
so ang government nag kuan og maka ang sigarilyo is makadaot sa imong anak or makakuha sila og kuan second smoker. Government warning is smoking kills. So ang sigarilyo makadaot or makapatay sa imong lawas. So next section 14.
Mas malaka.
Patayin na yung signal ako kay mawala-wala man ang kuan.
Kadungog.
Next sa section 14 pre.
Thirteen pa tanong. 13.
Ayan signal ay.
Sige na. Sige na.